Now, the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max is finally here, and Apple went all out this year. We're talking about vapor chamber cooling for better battery efficiency, a new 24 megapixel square front camera that can shoot landscape selfies without rotating your phone. And best of all three cameras on the back are now all 48 megapixel. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know before you get one. Let's go! Before we get into the good and the bad of this phone, I want to show you something that's actually been protecting me in real life. The RX 700 dashcam. Now this thing records in 4K up front and 2K in the back. So you're covered from every angle. Now it uses a Sony Stravis sensor in the front and the Galaxy Core sensor in the rear. So license plates, road signs, even low light conditions are super sharp. Now it's also more than just a dashcam. It's got parking surveillance mode, which means even if someone bumps into your car while you're inside the mall, it records the whole thing. The built-in GPS gives you the speed and red light camera alerts and stamps time and location right on your clips. The RX 700 has Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can pull up the ThinkWare app on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. If I need it for insurance or honestly just to show a crazy moment on the road. What I love is that it's built tough. Thermal protection, super capacitors, loop recording as well. Even anti-file corruption. That means your footage is safe no matter what happens. Now it's one of those gadgets that just works, and it saved people thousands in insurance claims. Now I'll pin the link down in the comments below and also my description if you want to check it out. Now, let's get back to Apple's newest flagship, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. As you can see, Apple made a bold design move this year. The logo has been shifted lower on the back of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It gives the phone a new identity. And honestly, it looks clean. Now they did shift back from the titanium frame to the aluminum frame, but it still feels premium and lighter than the older Pro Max models. And overall, it's instantly recognizable as the latest iPhone. Now, the addition of a vapor chamber cooling system is huge. This is the first iPhone that doesn't throttle when you're pushing it hard. Now, whether you're gaming, editing, or shooting in 4K for long stretches, the Pro Max stays cool and efficient, which means better performance and better battery life. Now, the 24 megapixel square front camera is game changing. You can hold the phone vertically and still take landscape photos or videos without rotating your phone. Now here is a test for the mic and also me just kind of holding my phone. Let's see how stable it is, right? There we go. Great for vloggers, TikTokers, and anyone posting across multiple platforms. This saves time and makes shooting content way easier. Now on the back, all three lenses are now 48 megapixels, the ultra-wide, wide, and telephoto. Finally, no weak lens in the lineup. You get consistent detail and color across all focal lengths, whether you're shooting sweeping landscapes, portraits, or tight zoom shots. This might be the strongest iPhone camera system we've ever seen. The battery life is solid thanks to the vapor chamber cooling, which makes the phone more efficient. It's not an all-weekend battery beast, but you can get through a full day of heavy use, gaming, streaming, and content creation, without as much worrying as before. Now this also has an A19 Pro chip, which is not the same as the one in the iPhone Air, because this one doesn't get throttled because it doesn't heat up as much as the iPhone Air. Now the Pro models also gets the ceramic shield too, which is great protection, actually more sturdier, and it doesn't break as easily as the older iPhones. Now the iPhone 17 Pro also has Gen Lock now. It also comes with Apple ProRes RAW, something $4,000 cameras like Sony's don't even have. Oh, I almost forgot. Now you can shoot on your front camera and the back camera at the same time, something that Android was able to do a long time ago. But I'm glad the iPhone finally gets it. So this is a test of the dual camera. Basically, I'm shooting on the front right here and back here, shooting on the back at the same time. Pretty good. Now, here's the bottom line: the iPhone 17 Pro Max is the most complete iPhone Apple has ever built. Three 48 megapixel lenses, a revolutionary front sensor, vapor chamber cooling, and fresh new design. Now, if you're a content creator, gamer, or just someone who wants the best iPhone experience in 2025, this is the one to get. And if you don't like a bigger phone, you can get the 17 Pro. And basically, the only difference is the battery capacity and the size. And while you're upgrading your tech, don't forget about the RX 700 dashcam. Because having the best phone in your pocket is great, but having protection on the road, that's priceless. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. And if you have any questions, ask me down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.